Hi, today I will tell you how to create a multidimensional array or a matrix. Well, first to begin with, the declaration of a multidimensional array or matrix is exactly the same as the one of as an array, but with the difference that now you add another value. What does that value stand for? Well, a multidimensional array is composed of rows and columns. The first value describes the rows, which go this way, just in case you don't know, and the columns go in this way. What you can do with multidimensional arrays is huge. Well, actually here we only have like a two-dimensional array, but we can even have like a three-dimensional array and so on. However, they're kind of more, well, of course, they're more complicated, and in this occasion I will only explain a two-dimensional array. As I said before, the number 5 represents the rows, and the number 4 represents the columns. So in this case, we're going to have, let's say, like a grid where we have 5 rows, yeah, 5 rows and 4 columns. Uh, to enter a new value for a row and a column, you need to declare it. For example, here we are declaring that matrix A and B. Well, let's make something more explicit. For example, let's say matrix, sorry, 0, um, 1 equals 5 equal 3, for example. So in this case, the value in the row 0, which is this one, let's say the first one, and the column 1, which is the second one, is going to have the value of 3. uh, you will think, oh, what can I use this for? But it is really used in games. For example, you can create games just like Battleship or maybe a Sudoku. So it's actually really helpful. And well, another thing you can do with these arrays is display them. For example, here, I will erase this one right here, is display those values. So let's run the code. Here we have, here it displays. As you can see, here we have 5 rows and 4 columns. Um, if you want to modify, let's say you want this value to be 5, for example, let's just put everything after this, so it will be matrix 0 0 equals 5. Let's save it, let's compile it. Okay, now we can run it, and as you can see, this value was modified. So, well, that will be all. I hope you understood, and see you later.